Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Petitenget Street and Batu Belig Street during the pandemic corona and lockdown for Bali. Okay guys, check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore Petitenget Street and Batu Belig Street. And now we are in Petitenget Street. In this area there is a lot of big hotel and villa. And usually in this area is very busy. People walk around on the sidewalk. But since the corona, this Bali is very quiet, like you see on the video. There's no people there. And also, in this month, on July, we got lockdown. Start from 3 until 20 of July. So that's why Bali getting quiet. And also because of the lockdown, a lot of customers who will come to Bali from local people, they cancel to come to Bali. A lot they cancel flight. So you see on the video, it's no people there. It's very quiet. You see in the right side and left side, there is lots of big hotel there. Usually in this area it's very busy, but it's very quiet now. Usually in this area, a lot busy with taxi, but today you see it's no taxi there, no business transportation. You see in the right side, W Hotel. It's very famous there. Also Petitenget, right side. Actually, last month, Bali getting better with the tourism. A lot of local people come to Bali to make holiday. But since the government find new variant of the virus we call Delta, so the government make a lockdown to protect people from the virus. You see on the video, it's no people there. It's very quiet. It's very sad, isn't it? Okay guys, so this is the condition at the moment in Petitenget Street. And now we will explore Batu Belig Street. Okay, now we are in Batu Belig Street. Batu Belig Street also is very famous for the hotel and villa. Around this area inside, there is a lot of private villa. You see on the video, it's no people there. So this is the condition at the moment in Batu Belig and Petitenget. So what do you think? Still very quiet, isn't it? Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video. And if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. And also don't forget to hit the bell notification, because I will more explore about the condition in Bali in different area in Bali. Thank you for watching my video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.